So this is my bench center. This could be used for a number of things. I made this for a couple at church who is going to use it for diamond pins. So this is what you get in the file, and I want to show you the assembly. In order to save space in the print, I wanted to make it modular, and all of this is designed to be a nice tight fit. So these just lock in together. I like to get them nice and flush. This will keep any separation from happening in the middle. And take that, slide it in and down, just like so. If it's requested or if it's needed, I could redo this model and put the same sort of thing up here. That way, if there is enough pressure to make this bow out a little, something like that would help that. But for what they are going to be doing with it, there will not be much application or much pressure on it, so it's not really needed. This is the fixed side. This will just slide right on top. We've got a bearing that goes here. Spin pin, that's what I call it. And the threads on the inside of the tip. I am a bit worried about these tips because this is all PLA. I don't have any TPU, so I'm a little worried that the smoothness will not grip on the pin or whatever you use this for. I'm a little worried it's just gonna spin and your pin or whatever you're using it for will not spin the way it's designed to do. So you may want to print these tips in TPU. Otherwise, possibly some Teflon tape or something like that to give it a little grip right here. But you see that just screws on. The knurling here makes it very easy to spin. I hope that's in the camera. This is the sliding side. Got another bearing. This has no threads. And by the way, I have added a recess on the inside here. There is a bearing puller or a bearing extractor on MakersWorld that you can download, and it should fit inside here, and you should be able to pull these out. But the fit is so nice on this, with PLA anyway, that once you insert it, of course it spins, but you're able to just pull the bearing right out with it, and then just pull that out. I say in PLA because I know different materials print differently, and because I'm so new to 3D printing and modeling, I have no idea how those materials actually print. So PLA, you get that function. This goes right in the middle of the T-slot. Now you have a T-nut. Goes in the end, and you line up this hole here. Here's your locking bolt. And that's going to allow you to have this full range. If I'm not mistaken, this is 13 inches. You may need more, you may need less, I'm not sure. This particular model is 12 and a half on the rail. 13 with your screw downs. I've got that on this side and this side. That way whenever you get it where you need it, drill yourself a couple holes there in the dits and put yourself some screws so that it doesn't move around. So maximum locking length, you're going to get about 8 inches. For their application, they said they're no longer than 6 3/4, but just in case they have some oddball pins or something like that, I wanted to give them a little extra room. And of course, that can go all the way together. So that is how you assemble my very first design, the bench center.